Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to break snail and watch snail, the only ingredient that you can use and do that. So my neighbor bought snails when he traveled, and then we actually kept them here inside this bath, and in the morning we woke up. See, there's already laid egg for us. He laid 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the eggs that he laid for us. So if you would love to know more, keep watching and let's run my intro. So here is our snail. Some of them ran away in the night, but we caught them. So snails actually eat anything, fruits, vegetable, they perch on anything. I think that the ones actually perching on this my vegetables. You can see them. See them. They perch on vegetables and they eat this thing. See them. So we'll be breaking this right now with stone. So this is the water that we'll be using, and we'll also be using alum to watch it. So just watch the process and see how it's done.
First of all, disclaimer: if you know you can't get your snails done at home, please take it to the market. But this is a process that you can equally try at home than going to the market. All you need is 2 hard stone. 2 hard stone is one you'll be keeping your snail on top, and the other you'll be using to hit the snail because the shell is very hard.
You remove the intestine. Intestine. Okay.
Please make sure that you're being very careful of your hand. Hit the snail very hard so that the shell comes off easily, so that you don't hurt your hand while you're trying to remove the back. Okay? Please be very careful while breaking your snails at home. So while we were breaking one of the snail, we noticed that one of them died. I think something bites it. And these snails, they can climb anywhere. When we woke up in the morning, some of them actually has gone out from the bath where we covered it, and they have even gone away. But we caught them. We caught all of them. So right now we are trying to remove the intestine. You should know the difference between an intestine and what is a snail. So this process shows you how to remove the intestine from the body, and you'll be putting it inside the water that you'll be using to wash it. So we finish removing the bag, the intestine, and everything to make sure that there is no shell that is remaining. Make sure that you remove your shells very well. Remove the intestine so that you don't eat the parts that you're not supposed to eat. All this can be done at home. I'm actually very scared of snails. I'm actually very scared because of their long eyes. So right now we have finished removing the bag, and we are packing up the shells that we use so that we can dispose them. If not, it's going to have a very foul smell, unpleasant smell at the back of your house. So right now we are making use of alum. Alum will remove the slimy that is on the snail. Okay? Alum will help you remove the slimy parts. You can see the slimy parts that is coming out. Alum will help you remove it very easily. So you'll be making use of your alum to wash every part of the snail like so many times before everything comes off easily. You will see later in the process that the water is going to change green because of the alum. You can see the water is changing actually because the slimy nature is coming off very easily. Make sure you wash as many times as possible. Like you can see right now, we have finished washing the first process, and this is the second process. We are still pouring water, and we are still adding alum inside to wash it very properly, so that when you're eating, you will know what you're actually eating. So this is us washing the last part. I think we have washed like 3 to 4 times before we came to this part, and you can see that the water is still very green. So you need to wash as many times as possible for you to have a very clean and washed snails. So right now we have finished washing the snails, and we'll portion it in different packs, for which will be easier for you when you want to cook them. So I'll be showing you how a cleaned snail looks like. So this is our snail all done and dusted. Thank you.